So, what's up, everybody? Welcome to my Chapter 1 course of HTML. So, today we are going to know about HTML doc type, HTML tag, head tag, title tag, body tag, heading tag, paragraph tag, and much more. So, let's roll into the video. So, first, I have opened this window for you, index.html. Index.html is a special file name which is presented. Here you can see index.html where I have pointed my red circle. Index.html is a special file name which is presented when the website not address is typed. So whenever you open a website, index.html will be shown first on your website. Means the AI will search and bring the index.html page first if you have not assigned in your website. So here we are going to start with doc type. So using the emit option, shift plus this exclamation mark, enter, and boom, we got this boiler template. This boiler template shows doc type on the top here, then HTML, which gives the language English, head, meta, and title, then closing head tag, body, and then HTML closing tag. So doc type HTML specifies that this is an HTML5 document. So this doc type says that this document is an HTML file. Then this HTML, where the English language EN is written, this is the root of an HTML page. And this head contains page metadata, the metadata which the page has. Here we jump to title. Title is the name written above. Here you can see, let me show you. Here you can see document written on the tab bar. We can change it. Let me write it like this. Henry Don't. Okay, I'm using my name for just funny. Oh, Control S to save it and toggle Henry Don't. The tab title is changed. So this is the title of the website that you can show on the tab option here. So after I have completed my title part, I will jump to body. Body is the main part of your website. Here you can put header tag, main tag, footer tag. In header you can put the heading, and we will talk much later about headers and footers. Now we will concentrate just on the basic element tags. First I am putting the h1 tag. H1 tag. So this is a heading. Let me show you one thing. Control shift down. Oh, and now I will change this to 2, again to 3, and to 4. Let me show you because you're not able to see it. Oh, what I have done. This is the problem. Okay, 5, some mistakes, and 5. Okay, this is a heading 3 heading. What is this? H. Okay, nice. So now you can see, as I will Control S it and show you what big to small. If we had to do big to small, then we can simply put the big tag like I'm showing you here, big tag, or we have to put small tag, we can use small tag. So why this H1 to H5, or let me show you H6. Most people usually we use till H6 because it is the last heading or subheading, you can say, that we usually put in a website because it is the smallest, I guess. Control S to save and showing you this is a heading, 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 this is a heading. So small to big and from top to bottom, big to small. So first what happens is that when a website is examined, first the main heading is examined by the server. Okay, like Google searches the main tag, the heading spelling is wrong. Okay, I have corrected it. Array, sorry, now it's looking good. So the first heading is examined by the server, and this heading only shows what your content is about and what the thing your website will show. Like if I want to cook something, like I'm cooking I'm cooking a pizza. So if I want to show that this is a pizza recipe for beginners, so this will be the heading of your website. Okay, so let me show you in H1 tag. This is a pizza tutorial, let me say tutorial for beginners. Okay, so this is a pizza tutorial for beginners, and Control S to save, and let me show you. This is pizza tutorial for beginners. I think some spelling is wrong, so let me put it just like this. This is a pizza tutorial. Control S, and this is a pizza tutorial. Then H1 tag is completed. This is subheading type. H2, like you have to put like Mexican pizza, then you can put, here should be H3, then you can put Italy pizza, one of the best in the world, Italy pizza. You can use, it's not necessary that you have to use it number wise, you can use here also H2. It's up to your website, like what you have to show. Okay, so it's up to you. You can use these in various places that you want to highlight. Okay, and for now just let me remove these tags. Okay, a tag is like a container for either content or other HTML tags. HTML tag is a document that goes to the browser and then it is rendered to the page that we are shown on our devices, whether it is a computer, phone, laptops, any media. Then what is it is written that head and body tags are children of HTML tag. Like this head, I show you, this head and this body tag are like the children of this HTML tag. Okay, HTML tag is the parent of head and body tags, just like vice versa. And then most of the HTML elements have opening and closing tags with content in between opening and closing tags. So here we have head tag which has a closing tag. You can see here backslash and head. But some tags like BR tag, HR tag does not have any closing tags. They are single tags. As I have shown you, these are called empty elements. Empty elements. What are these HR tags? We will know in detail in further courses. HR tags create these horizontal lines, as you can see. Now, we have introduced to many things in this chapter 1. All these things we will see in detail in coming chapters. Now we are just introducing to you to the tags. We can either use .htm or HTML extensions. Here let me show you. You can pizza.html. Okay, created. Now let me use pasta.htm again. So you can use here HTML or HTM tags. Extension, sorry, not tags, extension. You can remove L also, but highly it is recommended for a good practice you should write whole like HTML, because this way you can like respecting, you can say. But if you are a pro coder, then you can use, okay, just to show you like fun way, cool way, if you want to show your friends or someone, to show that yeah, we can use without this L also. So we can either use these two, and you can use inspect element or view page source option from Chrome or any other browser to look into a website's HTML code. Let me show you. Here we have written the code. Right click, inspect. We have inspected, and here you can see our code. This is a pizza tutorial, H1 Mexican pizza, Italy pizza, and this is a heading, this is a heading, this is a heading, you can see. And to view page full code, click on view page source. Okay, here you can see all the codes. This script is the additional that a server has put, okay, because to bring our code to here, this JavaScript code is written automatically, injected by live server. You can see here, injected by live server. We have written code till HR only. Okay, so till here we learned that we use tags to write codes in HTML, and there are many comments. Okay, comments like, let me show you. This is a comment in HTML. Control// and boom. This is a comment. So you can see these arrows like it is put for to show a comment. If you want to show something, like I want to show that, let me show you. Like we read that doc type HTML. What is doc type HTML? We learned it specifies that this is an HTML5 document. So I can put here like this. This specifies that this is an HTML, document, control/. Very easy to remember that, or you can put for your convenience while you're learning these comments or notes. These notes do not appear, means they do not run in our website. They can appear but they cannot run. Here you can see that code injected by live server. It is shown but it is not running on a website. So that's the point. Now HTML element has a start tag, then we put some content, and then we end the tag. This is the simple philosophy, and we have seen the comments here. HTML tag means HTML is a case insensitive language. Like if you use to write paragraph, you can use small p. Lorem 34. This lorem is used to inject random words automatically. You can use it, and this is only provided by our VS Code. Okay, so very special thing about this code editor. Then if we use capital P, then also lorem 34, same thing will happen. Control S I will save, and you can see here. Let me close all this, and you can see same thing happening. But in JavaScript and in Java or other languages, mainly these two languages I'm giving the example, like in these two languages you will see that capital letter and small letter both has a different meaning. So we have to be very careful there while using these. But here if you use small or big, it doesn't matter. The code reads what it has been assigned or coded by the developers. HTML5 is the upgraded version of HTML. Earlier they had some issues, but now it is fully upgraded, and generally now in a general mass level we use HTML5 only. Now we have seen the HTML tags, and let me once recap what we have learned today. So we have learned about the doc type HTML. HTML is a root, head tag, title tag, body tag, heading tags, and paragraph tag, and then a tag is a container for either containing, and these all we have learned today. And we can use these extensions, and we can use these comments specially. So, and it is an insensitive language. So all these we have learned today in this chapter 1 session. Hope you enjoyed it, and till then I will see you in my next video.